Hey guys, Coach Kerry here. Almost made it through that last video and then my computer died. So we'll see if the quality is better just going through the carb manager for yesterday versus today. I'm going to re-record today and cut the other video short so it only includes yesterday. So here we go. For today, what I had was first I waited till 1:48 to eat. I usually eat at 11 and I'm pretty hungry, and I was hungry this morning because I'm intermittent fasting from 7 p.m. to 11 a.m. But I kind of forgot about it when I was working, and then by the time I knew it, it was lunchtime, and I was thinking, wow, I better eat. And so I ordered some takeout, which I do about once every couple weeks from a Thai place. And then when I brought it back, I did a video for you guys on what was in the Thai lunch and then how I'm going to go about managing the carbs and the calories in that lunch. So whenever you do takeout or you go to eat at a restaurant, it's good to kind of anticipate, like look at their menu before you go there, and then order the foods that you want to eat and the portion sizes, and you can take out anything you don't want to eat. Like I took a couple pineapples out of the takeout. I didn't want too many, so I had 2 ounces here of the pineapples. Chicken breast was in there, that was good. The curry sauce, 1/4 cup, pretty high in net carbs right there, and the calories too. I had the green pepper mixed vegetable mix in there, that's really healthy. And then I had white rice, which lots of net carbs in white rice. So I limited it to 75, but still a lot. Maybe cutting it back to 50 or 30 white rice, something like that, would be better. So I'll have to think about that. But all in all, for the lunch, 345 calories, 9.7 fat, 18.5 protein, 42.9 carbs. And then my smoothie, which I love this smoothie. And I guess what made a difference was the flax. I got this flaxseed from Costco. I had a double portion, 30 grams. There's a lot of calories in there, 200, but a lot from the fat. Let's just take a look at this for a second. And what type of fat is it? So let's just look at the advanced right here. And sorry, the courier just came to the door. I had to put the recording on pause, but let's just take a look at the advanced ingredients here. So 200 calories, that's a lot. And really what I'm looking for is the fiber from this. So let's just go right to the fiber to see how much is in there. Fiber, 6 grams of fiber, pretty good. Not incredible, but pretty good. I've been eating fiber, I've been eating psyllium hulls. I do want to get some chia seeds for fiber too, so for my smoothies. So 6 grams in a double portion of the flaxseed. Fat 14, 12 from polyunsaturated. Okay, so we really want more in monounsaturated. So again, gonna have to look into this a little bit more. 6 protein though, that's really good from the flax. And I will check this label against the flax package when we're done, and just to make sure that this is accurate, because I thought it was a little bit healthier. But that's what I had, 30 grams of the flax. I had the almond milk, 250 milliliters of unsweetened vanilla organic almond milk, and that is excellent, the ingredients in the almond milk. I had this kale pineapple mix in the smoothie, and then pumpkin protein from North Coast, 50 grams, so 34 protein. So lots of protein here, 42.2, excellent. I'm trying to get that protein number up as well as my fiber number. Calories, 473, that's quite a bit. 20 fat and 9.8 net carbs. So that was my drink to go with my lunch. And then I had some tuna as well. I picked these up at Costco and I haven't tried them yet. I like this brand and this tuna, Rio More tuna, but this one's with chili. It's kind of Italian chili seasoning in there. No net carbs, which is great. 12 protein, 8 fat. Let's take a look at this one and let's see where the fat's coming from here. So 8 fat, oh, it doesn't break it down. So this is from, it's packed in olive oil as well as the fish. It's going to have fat from the fish. So I would think a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, but it doesn't show here. No net carbs, which is good. 120 calories. So, and then the protein level, let's take a look, 12. So that's really going to help me with my protein numbers. So there you go. That's a new product that I tried. I did quite a bit of working out. I went for a walk, 4708 for steps. I did core strength workout this morning, and I did yoga as well. And so that was before I started work. So that's all good. Just finished my lunch. I'm going to start writing my book now. I've got a few chapters done. It's the sequel to my original book on Amazon. I'll try and pull over a screenshot for you right now. All right, guys, I pulled over a screenshot of the book I wrote. This is in 2021, called The 100-Day Diet, and it's about how I lost 30 pounds in 100 days with some simple secrets I found by doing research. What I'm going to do is I'm working on the sequel to this book right now because I'm going through another period of low carb, not keto, but low carb and intermittent fasting and some lifestyle changes, and I'm documenting it live on social media as well as here on YouTube. So follow me here on social media and on YouTube, and you can go to my website. We're developing the website right now for the new book, and then I'll be doing some coaching and some seminars, and I'm going to basically share what I've learned and how you can make some healthy changes to improve your lifestyle. And thanks for joining me today, you guys, and I will talk to you soon.